Welcome, children of all flavors. This is a Black-Matician quick lesson video, and it's going to be all about integers and absolute value.
1, 2, 3.
It's the Black-Matician. 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 That's me. Integers. So an integer is any number that is negative, 0, or positive. So that's any number all the way down our number line to negative 458 and forever, the number 0, and any number up our number line all the way up to 756 or past that into infinity. And remember that integers include all negative numbers, 0, and all positive numbers. The absolute value is the distance that that integer is from 0 on a number line. Okay, so the absolute value is the distance the integer is from 0 on the number line. And we use these two little brackets to tell us, hey, I need to know what the absolute value is. So for instance, if I was looking for the absolute value of 756, I would do 756, put our two brackets, and that tells me what's the distance that this number is from 0. And it's always a positive number because distance can never be negative. You can't say that you went negative 12 spaces or negative 13 miles. You would just say you went 13 miles. So the absolute value is always going to be a positive number. In this case, the absolute value is going to be 756. Now let's do some example problems. Example 1, find the absolute value of 2. Well, the first thing that I should do is find 2 on our number line. So 2 on our number line is going to be right here. So I'm going to put a little dot there. And remember, the absolute value is the distance that that number is from 0. So from 0, we went 1 space and 2 spaces. So the absolute value of 2 is going to be 2. Another way to write this is the absolute value of 2 is going to be 2, just like that. Let's do another example. Example 2, find the absolute value of negative 3. So we're going to find negative 3 on our number line, put a dot there, and they want to know how far is negative 3 from 0. So that's 1, 2, 3. So the absolute value of negative 3 is going to be equal to 3. Example number 3. It says compare 1 and the absolute value of negative 4. So when they say compare, what they're really asking for is which value is larger. So let's look at 1. Here's 1. And then it says the absolute value of negative 4. Well, we first need to ask ourselves, what is the absolute value of negative 4? So if I go to negative 4 on my graph, I'm going to put a star here. How far is that negative 4 from 0? Well, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the absolute value of negative 4 is equal to 4. And then the question says, can we compare them? What I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this question, because it means the same thing. And the question is, which one is bigger? Well, we know that 4 is bigger than 1, so 1 is going to be less than 4. And that's the answer that we're looking for. And that's everything you need to know about integers and absolute value. Calculator! Coronavirus got you sitting on the couch watching TV and your life's passing you on by. You're thinking, well, maybe I'll go to school next year, or maybe next semester. No, do it right now. I work with you whenever you want. You can watch me before you turn on the PlayStation and after you turn on the PlayStation. Whatever you need to do to graduate. Go subscribe right now. I'm out here to help you. You spend all day on your phone anyway. Might as well subscribe to a channel that's going to help you in your future. All you got to do is pick up the phone and subscribe. Why are you making this so complicated? It's easy. Matter of fact, I'm going to subscribe to my own channel right now.